Hello dear farmer, your complete irrigation system is inside this little box. This is your Netafim portable drip kit. Just unbox, connect and irrigate. It is very affordable and good quality system. You can install, uninstall and reuse this portable drip kit all by yourself. Let's start and unbox it. Before we start unboxing, please ensure that you are keeping the box on a dry surface. Now, using a cutter or knife, carefully cut the box and open it. This kit has 10 components including filtration unit, screen filter, mainline connectors, FlexNet sub-main with pre-welded outlets at different spacing, FlexNet connectors, Streamline connectors, FlexNet elbow, FlexNet plug, PVC FDA, Teflon tape. Now see for yourself how effortlessly you can fix your portable drip irrigation system. Please take the adapter and connect it to the filter. Use Teflon tape to make it leakage proof. Connect the filter to the main line of water. Connect the FlexNet adapter with the filter outlet. Please roll out the FlexNet sub-main in the field. Fix the elbow connectors in the pre-welded outlets of the FlexNet. Lay the Streamline in the field. Connect the Streamline with the FlexNet at the elbow. Start the pump and flush the drip system. Stop the pump. Connect the end cap to FlexNet. Connect the end cap to the Streamline. Now get going with your portable drip kit. Your portable drip kit is a smart solution that maximizes your crop yield, minimizes fertilizer usage, makes your labor and transportation cost almost equal to zero. You can get your irrigation facility ready before the season starts. It's suitable for diverse kinds of crops. Get ready to be a proud owner of Netafim's revolutionary smart portable drip kit that will transform your farming by making every season profit ka reason.